I am originally from India. I moved to San Antonio, Texas when I was 15 in high school. That's when I kind of realized, maybe dentistry might be for me. I joined a magnet school where they had a dental lab. I fell in love with the profession. And then after graduating high school, I worked in a dental lab and was doing internships at my dentist. And during undergrad, I went to school at UTSA and then graduated dental school there as well in San Antonio and never looked back. The one thing I really loved about it was you could be as creative as you wanted, and I never realized that how much of your artistic side dentistry brings out. That really got me interested in dentistry. And then also I love the fact that I could clock out at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock and not have to worry about anything else after. I have our patients who finally have the confidence to go out and smile and take pictures with a significant other, which they hadn't for decades. So for them to give that trust to you and then to help them along their journey, I think is a huge reward for me. I think being a dentist is a huge privilege, and a lot of times people on the weekends, I know we work every day, and on the weekends we want to not be a dentist, but there are a lot of people out there who still need help and still need dental care. It makes a huge difference in the life of those who have not had the benefit of entering a dental office or having insurance or even having the money to pay for medication. I do a lot of Mission of Mercies in Texas, and one of my dreams has been to bring one of them to San Antonio, and fortunately I will be bringing a huge Texas Mission of Mercy to San Antonio next year, so achieve one of those dreams. But I love giving back. I became a dentist by serving at community clinics when I learned more about dentistry, so for me it's just a full circle moment.